work for Rooter Hero as a customer service representative.
Okay, so today we're just gonna interview her and get to know her a little bit more. So the first question is, what is your favorite family vacation?
My favorite family vacation is when we went to Rocky Mountain, Tennessee. It was probably the best vacation I've ever been on. We did a lot of tourism stuff. Like they had this upside down, what's it called? Upside down museum. Dope. It was so dope. So that's probably my favorite.
All right, cool. Next question. What is your favorite book to read?
It's this book called Amelia Bedelia. She's a maid that works for this really high-end family, and they give her specific instructions on how to take care of their house, and she completely messes it up. She comes up with her own idea of how she wants to interpret what they do. So it's a really funny book.
Okay, next question. What is your first job?
My first job was actually when I was in college. And I worked in a dining hall. I was flipping in burgers. It was so fun. And I was getting paid a decent amount to be living on campus. So that was my first job.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next question. Would you rather trade intelligence for looks or looks for intelligence?
I trade intelligence for looks because your intelligence will pay for your look. See how that work? That'll work.
All right, and then last question. Do you have any hidden talents?
I do. I'm a songwriter and overall entertainer. Because, of course, how is anybody going to hear my music if I don't sing it or rap it? So I had to learn all of that myself. So I'm mainly an entertainer, but mostly a songwriter.
Nice. All right, well, thank you for taking this time to get to know you a little bit better.
Thank you. Please come to Rooter Hero. Thank you.